If the probability of an event is 0, such an event is called as an dash. So null event, zero event, impossible event, failure event. I will give an example. You take a coin, and you toss it, you throw it into the air. Just assume it will come back and it will fall on the table. Now, if I ask what is probability of getting both head and tail, that means when coin falls on the table, head and tail should be on one side. Okay, that is I am asking what is the probability of getting both head and tail when when a coin is tossed and it came back and fell on the table. Okay, it is not possible, right? Coin has two sides, one front side, back side. When it fell on table, either will have front side or back side. Either head, okay, either head or tail will be there. But getting both head and tail is impossible. It is not possible. So that is impossible event. Correct answer is this. C. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.